Imagine walking into a flat and seeing mushrooms growing out of the wall, not from bad decor, from years of water damage and zero maintenance. This was the apartment no one wanted, but we saw a gold mine in the making and turned it into 2 high-yield rentals. Here's how. 8 years ago, a man inherited this flat from his late father. He never moved in, never touched it. No tenants, no upkeep, just mold, decayed, and mushrooms. The smell? Like a biology experiment gone wrong. Most investors would have run, but beneath the chaos we saw potential. Strong bones, great layout, and an opportunity to double the rental value. The worse it looks, the better the upside, if you know what you're doing. We stripped the flat to bare brick. Under the floor, a cocktail of mold, sand, and bacteria-soaked gravel. Everything had to go. Then came 10 tons of fresh concrete 7 centimeters thick, poured over a clean, reinforced base. We brought in structural engineers to ensure long-term stability. Moisture is the silent killer of Budapest buildings, so we sealed the foundation with GV45 industrial-grade bitumen, the same used on highways. Then we poured another 5 tons of concrete on top. Overkill, maybe? But waterproof once, not twice. With a strong foundation, we optimized the layout. 1 apartment became 2. A spacious 2-room rental and a stylish studio, each with private entrance, utilities, and style. 1 investment, 2 incomes. Then we made it shine. Custom kitchenettes, matte black hardware, LED lighting, bold wallpapers. These aren't just cosmetic, they attract quality tenants and justify higher rents. So, was it worth it? Purchase price, 38 million forints. Renovation costs, 22 million. Total investment, 60 million. New market value, 85 million. That's a 40% appreciation. And the rental income? 480,000 forints per month. That's a 9.6% net yield annually, and it's only going up. What did we learn? Ugly equals opportunity. Surface fixes won't save you, structure matters. Waterproof like a pro. 2 units beat 1. Always build with ROI in mind. This wasn't just a flip. It was a strategy and it worked. Want deals like this? Follow Buy to Rent. We don't just find properties, we build wealth. From mold and mushrooms to modern moneymaker. In Budapest's District 7, we transformed an 8-year abandoned disaster into 2 stylish rentals delivering 9.6% ROI. Watch the full renovation, numbers, and strategy in this investor-ready case study. Subscribe to learn how Buy to Rent turns old flats into income streams.